India just got a massive $10 billion investment commitment from Qatar. And this is happening at the time when global investment are shrinking. But why is Qatar betting big on India? What does this mean for India's economy and geopolitics? Stay with me till the end as we break this down. Recently, Qatar announced that it would invest $10 billion dollars in India, marking one of the biggest foreign investment in a recent time. This comes at a time when India's FDI inflows had been declining and foreign companies were withdrawing capital. Remember when we used to hear news like a $20 billion dollars invested in India or $30 billion investment incoming that had almost disappeared. But now a major investor is back. So why is Qatar investing such a huge amount? There are few reasons. India is the world's fastest growing major economy, attracting long-term investors. India already import liquefied natural gas from Qatar and recently signed a 20-year gas deal, saving a $6 billion. Qatar sees India as a hub for infrastructure projects, technology startups, and financial markets. This investment isn't just about money, it's a sign of a long term trust between the two countries. Something very interesting happened when Qatar's Amir visited India. PM Modi personally received him at an airport, which broke a protocol. This level of hospitality is rare and signals a deep strategic partnership forming between the two nations. This isn't just an investment. India and Qatar have now become a strategic partners. What does that mean? Long term trade agreements, joint energy and infrastructure projects, commitment to counter terrorism efforts, and the biggest highlights India and Qatar have agreed to double their bilateral trades from $14 billion to $28 billion by 2030. And this is just a start. Both nations are considering a free trade agreement FTA, which could boost our trade even further. This move also affects India's position in the Gulf region. The Gulf has three major players: Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Qatar. Saudi Arabia has already become pro India. UAE has a free trade agreement with India and it's focusing on India over Pakistan. Qatar was the last big Gulf country India needed to strengthen ties with. And this $10 billion investment seals the relationship. Meanwhile, Pakistan's government is worried because its Gulf allies are moving closer to India, making it harder for Pakistan to attract investments. With Qatar's investment, India's position in global trade is getting stronger. If the India GCC free trade agreement happens, it could lead to over $110 billion in a trade between India and Gulf nation by 2030. This is a huge win for India, not just economically but also geopolitically. More trade, more jobs, and stronger ties with key energy suppliers. So, what do you think? Will Qatar's $10 billion investment boost India's economy? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on global business and geopolitics. Thank you.